Well, morning folks, or evening or afternoon, or whenever you're watching this. Before I start back on standing this bonnet down today, I've got a question for you all, and that is, what colour am I going to paint it? This car was originally Old English white. It's only ever been Old English white. If you look, all it's got on it is red oxide primer and Old English white. As I've said in earlier videos, it's been painted from here down just once, so there's an extra coat of primer. You can see red oxide primer, Old English white, primer, Old English white. Now, I've got to admit, Old English white isn't my favourite colour, but I've got to make a decision what colour I'm going to paint it, because I want to buy the paint before the paint shops close for the holidays, so I can get it done over Christmas and the New Year. Now, the reason I'm doing this car up is this one's for me. I don't intend to sell it, well, not in the near future. I want to use it for car shows, just for something to drive instead of turning up in a modern car. I did up the blue one that was in one of my earlier videos, and I sold that before I ever took it to a car show. And that one was virtually concours. It was fantastic, all brand new. Now, this car's only ever had one door skin on that door, which I fitted. It's had new seal steps and a repair on the passenger door, and it's had a couple of little patch repairs welded into the bonnet. So it's a really, really original car. So I suppose really I ought to put it back into Old English white, but I really like damson red. I used to have a habit of painting most of my Vitesses damson red. I also really like Valencia blue. So the question is, what colour do I paint it? I did actually once paint one in Ford Daytona yellow. Didn't look good really. I've also painted them black. My race car used to be Jaguar British Racing green, which I did like. And the question is, do I keep the car original or do I paint it a different colour? So give me a comment below, folks. Tell me what you think I should do with it. I'm halfway between keeping it original or painting it damson at the moment, but let me know what colours you think I should do it in. Right, that's it for today. All this side's, driver's side's all done, back to bare metal. I've just got the top bit to do, just the top half this side. So we'll get that done tomorrow. It's a few little tiny bits of welding I've got to tidy up, which I shall do, and then get a bit of fill around it, and hopefully get it in primer. That might be a bit of a hopeful target for tomorrow, but I'll see how I get on. So thanks for watching. It would be really good if you could give me a like or a subscribe, and let me know in the comments what colour you think I should do it. Thanks, bye.